Welcome to Mr. Criminology, where we share for you to learn and succeed. In this video, we will be discussing the crime of evasion of service of sentence. Evasion of service of sentence. The crime of evasion of service of sentence is governed by Article 157 of the Revised Penal Code as amended. Under Article 157, the crime of evasion of service of sentence is committed by any convict who shall evade service of his sentence by escaping during the term of his imprisonment by reason of final judgment. Ito ay krimen na pwedeng magawa ng isang preso sa pamamagitan ng pagtakas o hindi paglilingkod sa sentensyang naihatol sa kanya ng ating korte. There are three elements of this crime. First element, offender is a convict by final judgment. Yes, by final judgment. Detention prisoners po ay hindi pwedeng liable sa crime na ito. Mga nakakulong lang na may hatol o sentensya na galing sa korte at yung hatol na ito ay considered ng final and executory. Nag-lapse na yung period to appeal o hindi siya nag-appeal o yung Supreme Court mismo ang nag-decide na ng kaso niya. Second element, he is serving his sentence which consists of deprivation of liberty. Yung akusado ay pinaglilingkuran na ang hatol sa kanya. Ang hatol ngayon ay merong pagkait sa kanyang kalayaan. Kasama po dito yung parusang dischero. Remember, in dischero, hindi ka pwedeng pumunta sa isang lugar within a certain distance. In a way, na-curtail din dito yung freedom of movement mo. Third element, he evades the service of his sentence by escaping during the term of his sentence. Ang akusado ay tinakasan ang hatol sa kanya sa panahong pinagsisilbihan niya ito. Take note, itong crime na ito ay considered na continuing offense, kaya pwedeng isakdal ang akusado saan man siya mahanap. Ano naman ang mga instances na pwedeng magpataas sa penalty niya o yung tinatawag nating qualifying circumstances? The following are the qualifying circumstances. First, by means of unlawful entry. Second, by breaking doors, windows, gates, walls, roofs, or floors. Third, by using picklocks, false keys, disguise, deceit, violence, or intimidation. Or fifth, through connivance with other convicts or employees of the penal institution. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to share it and to subscribe.